we're going to be putting this clamp. I'm going to unbox it right now. I'm not going to make too long of a video. This is a clamp that goes on a Mavic Mini 2 or Mavic Mini. Got it from Amazon, and the first one, this was broke from the shipping. I've been waiting 3 days to do this. It's been 18-mile-an-hour winds for 3 days. Today it's 15-mile-an-hour winds. And my buddy says you just can't fly if it's over, he doesn't like over 6, I guess. But we're going to fly it. He's going to fly it. I don't have everything to be flying it. It looks like it's got the camera adapter and the GoPro adapter, which I think is just a normal one. Normal adapter nowadays. This is the awful 360 Rise 360 camera. It's the only one I have currently for making this video. I'm getting the Insta360 in the mail in a couple days, but I figured I'd just do it on this. This is inexpensive and it's getting returned, and I'll do the footage on it, test it out. We'll also see if it puts the Mavic Mini 2 into payload mode. This is my buddy's drone here. He's gonna be flying it for me, but he doesn't like talking. So we got to put on the strap. Looks like it just straps on like that. Oh, it clips in. Oh, it clips right in. That's nice. Clips right in. It does move. I don't know about the wind. Doesn't come with instructions or anything. I'll put a link in the description below of what one this is, where I purchased it, which was Amazon. Let's flip it around and see if it clips on maybe a little bit better. Let's move it up to the front one. It will not clip into the front one, but that's where it wants to be. It wants to be in that front one, so it goes into the front, and it doesn't move at all, really. It moves a little bit. I also have an extender that's 1.5 inches for this, not for this, but for my for the camera itself, because you have to go over this. Stupidest design ever. But for the purpose of this video, I don't need the charge cord. There's no way of charging it, so I guess I'm going to be putting the GoPro one on it. I'm going to have to go get the adapter. Okay, I went and put I call it the GoPro adapter on it. This thing is going to be super tall. I'm going to put it in, then I'll zoom out the camera a little bit. I don't know where I put that. Okay, it's down here. It doesn't really matter which way you face this. Slide that in. Obviously, you'll be overweight if you're still trying to stay under your few grams. Super windy out. I hope we're going to stay below 80 feet, below the tree line. Unless he's stupid with it. There, it's very firm. I'm going to tip it up on end. It does start to move there, but I'm probably going to be telling him to take it super slow, because that's my camera and this is his drone. But he says there's a P mode or something that's super slow, and a C mode, and then a sport mode where he says we'll try that out. I don't know what he's going to do there. But that's what it looks like on there. Feels very sturdy to me. I'd rather it work with this, but that's kind of a joke unless you have that extender. Yeah, the next video you'll see it out flying. We'll have a video off of this, looking around. I don't have this don't even come with software. I don't have the software to do like the spinny world thing and all that. But I do have the software to just kind of look around. It'll kind of look like a camera through this, but the camera on this blows this away, even though that's 6K. And this is Who knows what it is? It's not mine. It's the Mavic Mini 2. That's all I know. Yeah.